A few comments to my previous videos mention that it's less expensive to build a battery backup system yourself piece by piece, and I agree, of course. I've made a few battery backup systems over the last 35 years. But that is the main point I want to make, introducing the Anker Solix Power Station F3000. You'll have to do it yourself. I think most people want a plug-and-play power station for emergencies or a whole house battery backup. There's value in a well-designed system that works reliably, is expandable, and is easy to set up. This is exactly what Anker and others have done. And in my opinion, the Solix F3000 is one of the very best expandable systems for the price. It is the compact, all-in-one, plug-and-play, turnkey system for anyone. And that's why it's so important to let people know about the Anker's amazing power stations. I mean no disrespect to any DIYer. I still enjoy designing and building components and systems, and I'll share some of my own work in another video. But allow me to compare or contrast this. Of course, there's more than one way to build a system, and this is just one simple example. So here's a whiteboard. Start with your basic grid powering your loads. Lights, refrigerator, freezer, sump pumps, and so on. It works until it doesn't. When the grid goes down, there are things you can do. The generator is an easy solution. Fill it up, turn it on, plug things in, and you're good to go. That only works if you're at home, able to start it up in time. But your freezer and other critical loads still need power when you're not at home. Get a battery and an inverter, and it works like a UPS. When the grid is down, the battery powers your loads. And you can scale it up with more batteries to run for a longer time and get a bigger inverter to power more loads. And all that works until the battery runs out. So you start the generator to power the loads, you get a charger, use the generator to power the charger, and the charger will charge up the batteries. One day you look up and you think, well, it'd be great to use solar power. So you get some solar panels and an MPPT. That's a maximum power point tracking device. And it's a really cool device. The MPPT will get power off your solar panels and send it to your inverter to power your loads. The MPPT will also charge your batteries. When the sun goes down, the MPPT can't get power from your solar panels, of course. But the MPPT can get power from the batteries and send that to your inverter. You're good to go again. I had occasion to do it a little differently, but I'll spare you the reasons why I did it this way so I can move on. It wasn't ideal, it did work, but in the end I scrapped it. Solar is great, except when it's overcast, cloudy, stormy, nighttime, or if the panels are covered with snow, which it does here enough. It's important to have more than one source of power and manage it well. Here are the basic components of a near complete system. On the left you have your power sources, grid power, generator power, and battery power. In the middle you have the sun, solar panels, MPPT charge controller, and the inverter. And on the right are the loads. These components should be connected and managed in a way so that available power is used and directed as needed to keep the lights on and the loads running. There is an easier way. A modern-day power station includes an MPPT, inverter, charger, battery, the smarts to manage everything, and the tools for you to monitor or make changes to the power station. Anker has done this, and they have done this so very well. The Solix F3000 takes power from the grid, gas generator, sun, solar, other DC input, and will charge its internal and external batteries and power your loads. You can add batteries to increase runtime and even add a second F3000 power station to get 240 volts AC. It's one of the best introductory systems and one of the best expandable systems. I'm a fan. I use this and I'm looking forward to expanding it with batteries and other accessories as time and money permit. Thanks for listening.